Hey, what's up? This is Ron from Scratch Made Easy. In this video, we're going to apply quarter note and quarter rest rhythms to the stab. You'll find a link to the sheet music in the description below. For those who don't know, a stab is a short accented forward scratch. Let's start with the demonstration. I'm going to play a short accented stroke and then close the fader before I pull back the record. By closing the fader before the pullback, it eliminates the sound of the backward stroke. After closing the fader and eliminating the sound, we repeat the sequence. Now we've got that covered, let's play some quarter notes. If you're new to our series and you're not familiar with counting music, we recommend that you go back and check out our Baby Scratch series and get yourself caught up. Okay, let's move on to the first rhythm. The tempo is at 85 beats per minute. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. With the second rhythm, let's focus on making sure that we don't hear the sound when we pull back the record. We want to close the fader completely before we pull back the record. Let's make sure that we eliminate the sound. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. It may take some time to get your timing down, so with the third rhythm, we're going to continue to work on closing the fader before the pullback. This time, we're also going to focus on making sure that our forward stroke after the pullback is on beat. We want to be right in time, all right? Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That covers it for the first lesson of our stab series. Make sure to practice this with both hands. During your practice sessions with these exercises, continue to concentrate on being in time when you execute your forward strokes. It may feel awkward right now, but with consistent practice, that will change over time. We hope that you enjoyed this video. I gotta go. Hit that subscribe button. See you next video. Peace.